Papua New Guinea is home to the third largest tropical rainforest in the world, apart from the Amazon and the Congo Basin. At least 75% of its original forest cover is still standing, occupying vast biologically rich tracts, over 100,000 square miles in all. Its forests provide the habitat for about 200 species of mammals, about 20,000 species of plants, about 1,000 plus species of trees, and 700 plus species of birds, half of which are endemic to the island. It has been estimated that between 5 and 7% of the known species in the world live in PNG. Papua New Guinea's rainforest is not only a reservoir of immense biodiversity and a vibrant ecosystem, but also plays a crucial role in the global carbon cycle. As one of the world's largest tropical rainforests, it acts as a significant carbon sink, absorbing and storing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The dense vegetation, including towering trees and lush undergrowth, contributes to the sequestration of carbon. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping mitigate the impacts of climate change. The carbon stored in Papua New Guinea's rainforest is a vital component in the global fight against rising greenhouse gas emissions. The delicate balance is under threat from activities such as deforestation, logging, and agricultural expansion. Sustainable conservation practices are essential to preserve not only the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage, but also to maintain the rainforest's role as a critical carbon sink, contributing to the health of the planet and the well-being of its inhabitants. Efforts to protect Papua New Guinea's rainforest involve a combination of environmental conservation, sustainable land management, and community engagement to ensure the continued health of this ecologically significant and rich carbon ecosystem. At Pacific Carbon, we want to own all, if not most, of the rainforests in Papua New Guinea. We will start with my own tribesmen of the Yakan tribe of Lenki village in Wabek Enga province. Most of the rainforests in PNG are owned by traditional or indigenous landowners, and our aim is to negotiate with these landowners and pay an outright market value price on their assets so that we develop a carbon project from the assets that we own. If we do not do this, when are we going to do it? There is no guarantee that this forest will remain standing. When you look at the population boom, government infrastructural programs, this forest will be eaten up by all these human activities. So it's more better we own the forest now than not. UNFCCC sanctioned RED Plus program is an accounting system designed to provide an avenue for forested nations to have their forest preserved and conserved for climate projects. It is the aim of us at Pacific Carbon to tap into that important incentive. The world is faced with a devastating calamity that threatens the very survival of the human race. Carbon emissions from human activity that lasted hundreds of years has caused extensive damage to the Earth's atmospheric layers. That, in turn, has caused a lot of natural disasters. Scientists predict that within the next 11 years, if nothing is done, humanity is heading towards a climate emergency. It's your fight, it's my fight, it's our fight. And it's the fight for the survival of the human race. You can own a forest in Papua New Guinea. We can keep together the lungs of Mother Nature healthy and sustained for the sake of humanity.